What's going on, guys? Got a no AC call. Check the thermostat here. Set to cool, auto, and we're set for 70 degrees. I hear the indoor fan running. See the breaker's on for the AC. But I don't hear any refrigerant moving. The old float switch here. Oh, there it is. Easy one for today. So we got a clogged condensate drain. Alright, let me grab my vacuum, gallo gun, and get this drain open. Alright, we're back. Got the gallo gun set up. Got a cartridge in there. Go ahead and put this in the drain. Give her a blast. I got a bottle of water here. Dump the water down the drain. Alright, sounds like we're open. Some pan tablets we'll throw in there. Should be good to go. Alright, we got the water sucked out of the float switch, and we got some tablets in the drain pan. Now we'll put the filter back. Alright, we're good to go on this one. Okay, in this one here we got a broken handle on our refrigerator door. You can see right there where it's cracked. Pretty easy to swap out. We'll just go ahead and spin this down, pull on it, comes right off. Then obviously just 2 Phillips screws up here. Alright, here's our new one. Go ahead and push it on there, spin it up. Should tighten these up with a screwdriver, because you can easily over tighten these with the drill and crack the handle. But I'm going to try to go slow here and make sure we don't crack it. Alright, nice and tight. Alright, on to the next one. Alright, on this one here, we got a washing machine that's constantly dripping. And you can see the machine's unplugged. They put some type of container in there to catch the water for whatever reason. See the water down the bottom as well. So what that's going to be is a bad water inlet valve. So we'll go to the shop, grab one of those, and then we'll take the cover off and get it replaced. Okay, we got our new valve to go in. We got the water off, and they already had the unit unplugged. And on the back side, there's 3 screws. One right here on the end, one right here in the middle, and one down here on this end. They're 1/4 inch, so I'm going to go ahead and remove those. Okay, once you have your screws out, tilt it forward and we'll slide it to the right. And then lift it off, tilt it down. And right there's our triple water inlet valve. So we'll just unplug these three harnesses. Pretty easy to remember which way they go back. Red, white, and blue. And we got two screws. One here, one up front. And we got this little green clip for this hose. And we also got to remove the two washer hoses back here. So I'll grab the hoses and we'll tuck those down inside. Now we'll get ready to remove the valve. And remove our two screws. Slide this through the back. And here's our clamp. We're going to get a little bit of water out of this hose. Slide the clamp down. There we go. There's the old valve. Grab our new valve. Open it up. Here's the part number on this, WH13X22720. I'll leave a link down below with the valve and any tools used. So grab our new valve. Slide this hose on first. Got our hose and clamp on. The valve to the back of the machine. And then put our two screws back in. Okay, got our wire harness. Remember, red, white, and blue. Okay, now we're going to hook our hoses back up on the back. Okay, got the two water lines hooked up on the back. So now I'll go ahead and slowly turn the water back on back here and just make sure I got no leaks. Cold one's a little tricky to get to with the drain hose. Okay, don't see any leaks anywhere. So we'll go ahead and get our cover. These three little tabs at the bottom, drop those down in, and then slide it to the left. Now we'll just put our three screws back in on the back side. And I'll slide the machine back. Put it up, take a look. Got nothing dripping. And let's plug it back in. We'll drain that water out. This one's good to go. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.